transforming spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're diving into the world of front porch planters and tips for creating fresh and welcoming atmosphere to home entrance. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A simple yet impactful addition to your home's exterior, front porch planters can instantly enhance your curb appeal and create a welcoming atmosphere. Let's explore the meaning, benefits, best plants, and decorating ideas for these versatile elements. Front porch planters are containers used to hold plants on your front porch. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, from classic terracotta pots to modern metal planters. Beyond their functional purpose, front porch planters serve as decorative elements that can complement your home style and create a visual focal point. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, front porch planters offer a multitude of practical and emotional advantages. Let's delve into the numerous benefits that these versatile elements can bring to your home and lifestyle. Here are some of the benefits of having front porch planters. First, enhanced curb appeal. Front porch planters can significantly improve your home's appearance, making it more inviting and attractive to visitors. Second, increased property value. A well-maintained front porch with beautiful planters can potentially increase the value of your home. Third, improved air quality. Plants and planters can help purify the air and reduce pollution. Fourth, stress relief. Gardening and tending to plants can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity. Fifth, personalized touch. Front porch planters allow you to express your personal style and create a unique outdoor space. Choosing the right plants for your front porch planters is essential for a thriving and visually appealing display. Consider the following factors when selecting plants. 1. Climate. Ensure the plants you choose are suitable for your local climate and can tolerate temperature fluctuations. 2. Sunlight. Determine whether your front porch receives full sun, partial shade, or full shade to select plants with appropriate light requirements. 3. Maintenance. Consider your level of gardening experience and choose plants that align with your maintenance preferences. Here are some popular plant choices for front porch planters. 1. Flowering plants. Geraniums, petunias, impatiens, pansies, and begonias are excellent options for vibrant blooms. 2. Herbs. Basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint can add fragrance and flavor to your outdoor space. 3. Succulents. Echeveria, aloe vera, and jade plants are low maintenance and drought tolerant. 4. Vines. Climbing vines like ivy or jasmine can add vertical interest to your planter. Decorating your front porch with planters is a creative process that allows you to express your personal style. Here are some tips to help you create a stunning display. First, consider your home's style. Choose planters that complement your home's architecture and overall aesthetic. Second, play with textures and colors. Experiment with different textures and colors to create a visually appealing arrangement. Third, vary plant heights. Incorporate plants of varying heights to add depth and dimension to your planter. Fourth, add personal touches. Personalize your planters with decorative elements like birdhouses, wind chimes, or small sculptures. Fifth, maintain regular care. Ensure your plants receive adequate water, sunlight, and nutrients to keep them healthy and vibrant. Ready to bring your front porch to life? Discover these innovative and visually appealing planter ideas. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best front porch planter ideas. 1. Symmetrical arrangement. For a classic and elegant look, opt for a symmetrical arrangement of 2 matching planters placed on either side of your front door. This balanced design creates a sense of harmony and order. Consider using tall, slender planters filled with flowering plants or cascading vines for a dramatic effect. 2. Asymmetrical arrangement. If you prefer a more casual and relaxed atmosphere, an asymmetrical arrangement of planters can add interest and visual variety. Mix and match different sizes, shapes, and materials to create a unique and personalized display. Experiment with contrasting textures and colors for a visually stimulating composition. 3. Hanging planters. Hanging planters offer a versatile way to add vertical interest to your front porch. Choose cascading plants with trailing stems or vibrant blooms to create a flowing and dynamic effect. Hanging planters can be particularly effective in small spaces or when you want to draw attention to a specific area. 4. Tiered planters. Tiered planters provide a multi-layered approach to front porch design, allowing you to showcase a variety of plants at different heights. This creates a visually interesting and space-saving arrangement. Consider using a combination of flowering plants, herbs, and succulents to create a diverse and colorful display. 5. Vertical garden. A vertical garden planter is an excellent option for those with limited space or a desire to maximize their planting area. These planters can be wall-mounted or freestanding and are ideal for showcasing a variety of plants, including climbing vines, succulents, and herbs. Vertical gardens add a modern and eco-friendly touch to your front porch. 6. Herb garden. Create a functional and fragrant herb garden on your front porch. Choose herbs that are suitable for your local climate and complement your culinary preferences. A well-maintained herb garden can provide fresh ingredients for your cooking and add a delightful aroma to your outdoor space. 7. Succulent garden. A succulent garden is a low-maintenance and drought-tolerant option for front porch planters. Succulents come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them ideal for creating unique and eye-catching arrangements. Consider using a modern planter to complement the sleek and minimalist aesthetic of succulents. 8. Tropical paradise. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with a lush and exotic plant arrangement. Choose tropical plants with vibrant colors and lush foliage to create a vibrant and inviting atmosphere. Incorporate large-leafed plants, flowering vines, and exotic ferns to achieve a truly tropical feel. 9. Seasonal displays. Change your front porch planter arrangements with the seasons to reflect the changing landscape. In spring and summer, opt for bright and colorful flowering plants. In autumn, incorporate seasonal foliage and ornamental grasses. During winter, use winter-hardy plants or create festive displays with holiday decorations. 10. DIY planters. Get creative and create your own unique planters using repurposed materials. Upcycled planters can add a personal touch to your front porch and reduce waste. Consider using old buckets, crates, or even vintage suitcases as planters. By incorporating front porch planters into your outdoor space, you can transform your home's exterior into a welcoming and inviting haven. With careful planning, thoughtful plant selection, and creative design, you can create a stunning front porch display that will be the envy of your neighbors. Start planning your front porch planter project today. Visit your local nursery or garden center to explore the vast array of plant options available. Remember, with a little creativity and effort, you can create a beautiful and personalized outdoor space that will enhance your home's curb appeal and provide endless enjoyment. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.